Hi, I'm Eric, and I run a small online business. Now, most days it's less CEO and more Chief Everything Officer. Thankfully, with this cart, I can move everything in one trip and get back to work. Loading in the truck used to mean lifting every box by hand. Now, I raise the platform to the perfect height and slide everything straight into the truck. It's faster, safer, and a whole lot easier on my back. With 440 pounds of lifting capacity, I can move more inventory in fewer trips. The electric hydraulic lift does the heavy lifting, and the wheels make it easy to navigate tight aisles. And the battery lasts all day, so I can unload shipments, organize inventory, and ship orders without stopping to recharge. When your business depends on staying productive, dependable equipment makes all the difference. It's backed by a 2-year warranty, and whenever I've needed help, Tomahawk has been there. That kind of support gives you confidence when you use your equipment every day. Running a small business means wearing a lot of hats. The Tomahawk lift table takes care of the heavy lifting so I can focus on what matters most, serving customers and growing my business.